So now I'm with Brian Diesselhorst, who's the Chief Commercial Officer with IGNEO. Hi Brian, welcome
Hi, how
back.
are you doing?
Good, yeah. So it's great to see IGNEO here again. Would you like to catch up a little bit with the news since last year? What's new? What's the group been doing?
I think, it's great to be back. We love attending this conference every year. It's you get a chance to meet all of our, whether it's vendors, suppliers, customers. So we look forward to it every year. And a lot's happened since I think last December of 22, Korea Zinc finalized their acquisition of 100% of IGNEO. And so this last year has been just an exciting ride of integrating systems between ourselves and Korea Zinc. And then we've seen a substantial increase in CapEx and additions to the plant in France, which has been great. Additional sampling lines, additional technology to make a better product. A lot of focus on sampling and assays so that we're really providing a true representative sample to our suppliers. But it's been an exciting time, and I think with Korea Zinc, as part of as the owner of IGNEO now, there's going to be a lot more growth and a lot of exciting things in the future. And
how complementary are the two groups actually?
They're very complementary. As the largest producer of lead and zinc in the world, a 50-year-old company this year, Korea Zinc has just provided a lot of knowledge and expertise, not only in commercial but technology, to IGNEO and to our team. And so really bringing those two teams together has given, and then with our Avterra brand in North America, we've really got a comprehensive footprint now. We're from Asia to Europe to North America, so it's an exciting time.
And as far as trends on the market go, have you seen anything changing over the last 12 months?
I think when we were at the conference last year, you really saw the supply of circuit boards in Europe. We saw it kind of declining a little bit, but from what we've been able to see, it's been ticking back up, which is good. It's without circuit boards, we have a plant that's running empty. So that's been really exciting to see that most of our suppliers, their volumes are going back to pre-COVID, where but I think along with that increased supply, one of the things we are seeing is a lot of the regulatory environment in Europe has really, that landscape is continually changing. And so I think just being on top of that and making sure that we don't skip a beat and we're compliant and we're providing that level of service to our suppliers and to our customers, then I think everything will be good. But I think that's one of our biggest concerns here now that the feedstock is coming back on, is just the regulatory environment, because it's much different than what we see in North America and other parts of the world.
Yes, I was going to say, how do you reconcile that, or are they totally different markets in fact for you?
They're very different. The way that we buy and the way that we handle material here and our customers and suppliers is much different than we do in North America. It's much different than we do in Southeast Asia. But what we're really proud of is we have a really good commercial team, not only in North America and in Korea and in here, and they branch out into all corners of the world. I mean, we're pulling material out of Africa, Southeast Asia, Europe, the Middle East, South America, so it's an exciting time across the board.
Right. Many companies here at this time are talking a lot more about partnerships along the supply chain to be successful and circular, etc. What would IGNEO's take on that be?
I think and this industry is very interesting like that, where you might have a supplier that's also a competitor, or you have a competitor that's also a supplier or a customer. So I think it's just about finding where it fits, and we have a tremendous working relationship with most of the companies here, whether it's the technology providers. We just did big deals in North America and in Europe with Tomra. We're buying some of their equipment, and that facilitated from this conference. Actually, that conversation last year really kicked off a little bit more. So, and to come back here every year and to talk to the people and try to build those relationships, I think they pay off in the long run.
So you're still really positive about the potential for IGNEO?
Yes. I think especially with the changes that we've made to IGNEO over the last 2 years have been astonishing. I think that the whole rebranding and our presence in the market has changed, and then with being powered by Korea Zinc, it's a tremendous opportunity. And Korea Zinc is really, they've always been known as that lead and zinc, but there's a fundamental transition that's part of our chairman's Troika Drive, where we're really looking into resource recycling, battery recycling, as well as green energy to fuel our plants. And so that's another big thing that I think you'll see in the future, is while our subsidiaries in Australia and other parts of the world are becoming green, where we're operating our technology on green energy. We're going to do the same in Onsan in Korea, and then I'm sure you'll start seeing that move to Europe and to North America with our other operations.
Okay, well that sounds a really positive note to finish on. So thank you very much. Great to see you again, and see you next year, I hope.
Thank you. Appreciate it, Joe.